Blackheads and whiteheads making your nose look dirty and rough? Don't worry, in today's video, I'm sharing 5 easy and effective home remedies that can help clear clogged pores, remove blackheads and whiteheads, and make your skin look smooth and fresh. Make sure you watch till the end, because remedy number 5 is one of the most effective for stubborn blackheads. Let's start. Number 1. Steam and soft towel remedy ingredients. Warm water. A clean soft towel. Method. Take warm steam on your face for 3 to 5 minutes. Focus especially around the nose area. After steaming, gently wipe the area with a soft, clean towel. Benefits: helps open clogged pores, loosens blackheads, makes whiteheads easier to remove, gives smoother skin. Now moving to remedy number 2. Number 2. Honey and sugar scrub ingredients. 1 teaspoon honey, a pinch of fine sugar. Method: mix both ingredients well. Gently scrub your nose and affected area in circular motions for 1 minute. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Benefits: removes dead skin cells, helps unclog pores, makes skin soft and smooth, reduces rough texture. Now let's go to remedy number 3. Number 3. Clay mask for deep cleaning. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon multani mitti or clay. Rose water. Method: mix the clay with rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply it on the nose and blackhead area. Leave it for 10 minutes. Then wash it off. Benefits: absorbs extra oil, pulls out dirt from pores, helps clear blackheads, reduces whiteheads. Next is remedy number 4. Number 4. Aloe Vera Soothing Gel ingredients. Fresh aloe vera gel. Method: apply a thin layer on the affected area before sleeping. Leave it overnight. Wash it in the morning. Benefits: soothes the skin, reduces redness, helps prevent whiteheads, keeps pores calm. And finally, number 5. Salicylic face wash. Tip ingredients: a gentle salicylic acid face wash. Method: use it 2 to 3 times a week while washing your face. Benefits: deep pore cleansing, removes excess oil, helps prevent future blackheads, keeps skin clearer. Try these remedies regularly for 7 days and see the difference. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more skincare and beauty tips.